myself Dattatre Jadhav. I am from HM College Karad. Today we are going to discuss an important type of indefinite integration. The type of indefinite integration is integration of the form a sin x plus b cos x divided by c sin x plus d cos x dx, or integrals of the form a e raised to x plus b divided by c e raised to x plus d dx, where a, b, c, d are constants. Okay, so remember one thing, it is a first type of trigonometric function and it is a first type of algebraic function. When the terms of sin x and cos x is in numerator, also in denominator, both the terms, or one of the terms present inside the integration, then the example is of the type integration of a sin x plus b cos x divided by c sin x plus d cos x dx, or in numerator and denominator there are the functions e raised to x in numerator and denominator. Then it is our first type of algebraic integration, integration of a raised to x plus b divided by c raised to x plus d dx. Okay, look at here steps of the integration. Here are some steps of the integration. First, here numerator is a sin x plus b cos x, and here numerator is a e raised to x plus b. So first step to solve such a type of integration is write the numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator, where a and b are constant, n is numerator, d is denominator, and d dash is a derivative of denominator. Okay, first step is what? Write numerator as a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. Obtain the values of a and b by equating coefficients of similar terms. Obtain the values of capital A and capital B by equating coefficients of similar terms. Third step is replace numerator in given integration as ad plus bd dash by putting the values of a and b. Replace numerator in the given integration as a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator by putting the values of a and b. Okay, and first step is on separating denominator. On separating denominator, we get two types of integration. First one is integration of 1 dx. Integration of 1 is x plus c, and second is integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx, which is nothing but, yes, in denominator there is a function and in numerator there is a derivative of the denominator. Such a type of integration solved by directly log of mod of f of x. Here is the parallel for such type of integrations. Okay, so I can revise again. Here is first type of trigonometric integration and first type of algebraic integration. If there are terms of sin x cos x in numerator and denominator both, or there are terms of e raised to x in numerator and denominator both, then we use such a type of integration. Steps to solve such a type of integrations is write first numerator as ad plus b dash. In step second, obtain the values of a and b by equating coefficients of similar terms. In third step, replace the numerator in the given integration as ad plus b dash by obtaining or by putting the values of a and b. And fourth, on separating denominator, we get two types of integration. First one is integration of 1, that is x, and second one is integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of mod of f of x plus t. Okay, let us see some examples on this type. Here is the first example. Evaluate integration sin x plus 2 cos x divided by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x dx. Okay, evaluate integration sin x plus 2 cos x divided by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x dx. Okay, first check whether the example is of trigonometric integration or algebraic integration. There are terms of sin and cos. It is example on trigonometric integration. Okay, in numerator there are terms of sin and cos. So which type? Integration. In numerator and denominator there are terms of sin and cos. So which type? Integration of a sin x plus b cos x divided by c sin x plus d cos x. Okay, considering, let solution of the integration is, let I is equal to integration of sin x plus 2 cos x divided by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x dx. Okay, write numerator. Here numerator is sin x plus 2 cos x as a into denominator. Here denominator is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus b into derivative of denominator. Look at here, derivative of denominator is, here 3 is constant, derivative of sin x is cos x, plus 4 is constant, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, plus minus becomes minus 4 sin x. It's our equation number first. Okay. After simplification, by multiplying by a, it's nothing but 3a sin x plus 4a cos x plus 3b cos x minus 4b sin x. Okay, from first and last term, we take common sin x. So it's 3a minus 4b into sin x. From middle two terms, we take common what? Cos x. So plus 4a plus 3b into cos x. LHS contains the terms of sin x plus 2 cos x, and here on RHS there are two terms of sin x and cos x. By equating coefficients of similar terms, we get, here coefficient of sin x is 3a minus 4b is equal to, here coefficient of sin x is not given, so it is 1. 3a minus 4b is equal to 1. Here coefficient of cos x is 4a plus 3b is equal to, here coefficient of cos x is 2. Okay, on solving these two, okay, it's equation number second and it's equation number third. Multiplying equation second by 3 and equation third by 4, we get, on multiplying equation second by 3, it's 3 into 3, we get 9a minus 3 into 4, 12b is equal to 3. On multiplying equation 3 by 4, we get 16a plus 12b is equal to 2 4s are 8. Okay, now adding these two equations, 9a plus 16a, which is nothing but 25a plus 12 minus 12 plus 12b minus 12b, get cancelled, and 8 plus 3 is nothing but 11. So value of a is here. Value of a is what? 11 divided by 25. Now from equation second, okay, from equation second, we write 4b as, how we write 4b? 4 on RHS and going on LHS. So 4b is equal to 3a minus 1, which is equal to 3 into value of a is what? 11 divided by 25. Value of a is what? 11 divided by 25 minus 1. On making denominator same, it's 33 minus 25 divided by 25. Therefore, 4b is equal to, I can write here, 33 minus 25. It's 8 divided by 25. 4 2s are 8. So, value of b is 2 divided by 25. Here are the values of a and b. Now, I can put the values of a and b in equation 1. Therefore, equation first becomes, what are the changes in equation first? LHS is sin x plus 2 cos x is equal to, a is what? 11 upon 25 into 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus value of b is here 2 divided by 25 into bracket 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. Okay, here is our numerator. Now the third step is completed. Third step is what? Put the value of numerator in given integration. Therefore, given integration becomes I is equal to integration. Replace numerator in the given integration. Numerator is what? Sin x plus 2 cos x, and here is the value of sin x plus 2 cos x. Replace numerator in the given integration as 11 upon 25 into 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 2 upon 25 into 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. Okay, divided by, here is denominator 3 sin x plus 4 cos x dx. Okay, first check the values are correct or not. Here LHS is sin x plus 2 cos x. 11 into 3 is 33 sin x. 33 sin x minus 4 into 2 is 8 sin x. 33 minus 8 is 25. 25 divided by 25, it's sin x. Okay, values of a is correct, also b is correct. Here coefficient of cos x is 2. Multiplying by 11 upon 25 into 4 cos x, 44 cos x, plus 2 into 3, 6, 45 plus 6, 45, 11 into 4, 44 plus 6, 50 divided by 25, 2 cos x. Means that the values of a and b are correct. After replacing numerator by a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator, first step is separate the denominator. When we separate the denominator to both the terms, here 3 sin x plus 4 cos x divided by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x get cancelled, and it remains only 11 upon 25 plus 2 divided by 25 is constant, and we know that denominator of numerator comes in denominator. Okay, so here is term 3 cos x minus 4 sin x divided by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Okay, dx. Only just what? Separate the denominator. Now inside the integration there is addition. Inside the integration there is addition. So it's 11 upon 25 dx, integration of 11 upon 25 dx plus integration of 2 upon 25 into 3 cos x minus 4 sin x divided by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x dx. Okay, here 11 upon 25 is a constant. Take outside the integration. Here is integration of 1. First integration is 1 plus 2 divided by 25 is constant. Take outside the integration. And inside the integration the terms are 3 cos x minus 4 sin x divided by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x dx. Okay. Now look at here 11 upon 25 as it is, integration of 1 is x plus 2 divided by 25 constant as it is into, look at here, derivative of denominator 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. 3 constant as it is, derivative of sin x is cos x. Here is the term. Plus 4 constant, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Plus minus minus, minus 4 sin x. Means here, derivative of denominator is in numerator. So use the corollary, integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of mod of f of x, log of mod of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus constant of integration c. Here is the final answer of the given question. Okay? Look at here. First, write numerator as AD plus PD dash A into denominator plus B into derivative of denominator. On second step, find the values of A and B. After finding the values of A and B, replace numerator in the given integration as n is equal to A into denominator plus B into derivative of denominator by putting the values of A and B. On separating denominator, we get two types of integration. Integration of one is x and integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is log of mod of f of x. It's very simple example. Now, second example is here. Evaluate integration. Evaluate integration 1 divided by 2 plus 3 tan x dx. 1 evaluate integration 1 divided by 2 plus 3 tan x dx. Okay. Look at here. The example of integration is a trigonometric type. Now, I know that, yes, tan x can be written as sin x divided by cos x. So, integration becomes 1 upon 2 plus 3 into tan x can be written as sin x divided by cos x dx. Making denominator same in denominator, it becomes 2 cos x plus 3 sin x divided by cos x dx. After simplification, we get cos x divided by 2 cos x plus 3 sin x dx. Look at here, in numerator there is terms of sin and cos, and in denominator there is also terms of sin and cos. So which type? First trigonometric type of integration. Yes, a sin x plus b cos x divided by c sin x plus d cos x. Now write numerator, that is cos x, as a into denominator, that is 2 cos x plus 3 sin x plus b into derivative of denominator. 2 constant as it is, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So minus 2 sin x plus 3 constant as it is, derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay, it's our equation number first. On multiplying by, now we are finding the values of a and b. On multiplying by a, we get 2a cos x plus 3a sin x minus 2b plus minus 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 2b sin x plus 3b cos x. Taking what common from first and last, taking cos x common. So 2a plus 3b into cos x plus, and taking sin x common from middle two terms. It's a 3a minus 2b into sin x. LHS contains two terms. Look at here. Cos x plus 0 into sin x. Okay. There is no term of sin x, so coefficient of sin x must be 0. By equating by equating coefficients of similar terms. Here coefficient of cos x is 2a plus 3b. So 2a plus 3b is equal to 1, and second this is our second equation, and 3a minus 2b is equal to 0. Equation number third. Okay, for solving these two equations, for obtaining the values of a and b, we multiply equation second by 2 and equation third by 3. Okay, we get 2 into 2 4a plus 2 into 3 6b is equal to 2 into 1 2, and after multiplication by 3 into 3 9a minus 3 into 2 6b is equal to 0 into 3 0. We get, on addition of these two equations, we get 4a plus 9a 13a is equal to 2 plus 6b minus 6b cancel. This implies a is equal to 2 divided by 13. Okay, from equation second or from equation third, it's very simple to solve equation number third. From equation third, value of 2b is 3. 2b is equal to 3a. Therefore, 2b is equal to 3 into value of a is 2 divided by 13. Value of a is 2 divided by 13. 2 get cancelled, so b is equal to 3 divided by 13. Here is the value of the b. Okay, 3 divided by 13. Okay, putting the values of a and b in equation 1. Therefore, equation first becomes, what happened with equation first? Equation first is cos x is equal to a. What is the value of a? 2 divided by 30 into 2 cos x plus 3 sin x, okay, plus b. Value of b is 3 divided by 30 into minus 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. Okay, here is our numerator. By putting the values of a and b, therefore integration becomes I is equal to, I is what? Here is the I. Instead of cos x, we write 2 divided by 30 into 2 cos x plus 3 sin x plus 3 divided by 30 into minus 2 sin x plus 3 cos x divided by denominator is as it is. What is the denominator? 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. 2 cos x plus 3 sin x dx. On separating denominator, we get 2 cos x plus 3 sin x, 2 cos x plus 3 sin x get cancelled. It's 2 divided by 30 plus denominator of numerator comes in denominator, so 3 divided by 30 into numerator contains minus 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. After separating denominator, here denominator is 2 cos x plus 3 sin x dx. Okay, inside the integration there is addition, we separate integration sign, and inside the integration there is constant, take constant outside the integration. Directly 2 divided by 13 into integration of 1 dx is here. 3 divided by 13 into integration of minus 2 sin x plus 3 cos x divided by 2 cos x plus 3 sin x dx. Look at here, integration of 1 is x 2 divided by 13 into x plus 3 divided by 13 into, tell me here, derivative of denominator. Derivative of denominator is derivative of 2 cos x, 2 constant as it is, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, so minus 2 sin x plus 3 constant as it is, derivative of sin x is cos x. Denominator derivative is in numerator. So answer of such type of integration is log of mod of denominator, log of mod of 2 integration c. Here is the final answer of the second example. Okay, now take one more example here. Evaluate integration 4 e raised to x minus 25. Evaluate integration 4 e raised to x minus 25 divided by the term 2 e raised to x minus 5. 2 e raised to x minus 5. Look at the integration. E raised to x are there. It's a algebraic integration. Okay, and we know that there is a term of e raised to x in numerator and denominator, and our first type of algebraic integration says that if any term inside the integration which is in numerator there is term of e raised to x, and in denominator there is a term of e raised to x, then our first type of algebraic integration is a e raised to x plus b divided by c e raised to x plus d dx. Okay, let's solve this example. Steps of the this type of integration is as same as previous examples. First, write numerator. Here numerator is 4 e raised to x minus 25 and a into denominator, where capital A and B are constants. A into denominator, a into 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus b into derivative of denominator. Look at here, derivative of denominator to constant. Derivative of denominator is e raised to x minus derivative of 5 is what? 0. So don't write. It's our equation number first. On multiplication, I can write this as 2a e raised to x minus 5a plus 2b e raised to x. But in LHS, there is two terms. First one is of e raised to x and second one is constant. Taking e raised to x common, so 2a plus 2b into e raised to x minus 5a, and here is LHS 4 e raised to x minus 25. By equating coefficients of similar terms, the terms which are similar, whose coefficients are equated because of the equality. Okay, here coefficient of e raised to x is 2a plus 2b. 2a plus 2b is equal to, here coefficient of e raised to x is 4. 2a plus 2b is equal to 4. This implies a plus b is equal to 2. Okay, and from equating constant terms we get 5a. It's our equation number second. 5a is equal to 25. This implies a is equal to, yes, a is equal to 5. Here is the value of a. Directly we can obtain here. Okay, now put a is equal to 5 in equation 2. Therefore 5 plus b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2 minus 5, which is equal to minus 3. Okay, here the values of a and b are obtained. Now what? Therefore equation first becomes, what happened with equation first? 4 e raised to x minus 25 is equal to, here value of a is 5 into 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus value of b is minus 3 into 2 e raised to x, means our numerator becomes, yes, 5 into 2 e raised to x minus 5 minus 3 into 2 e raised to x. On simplification of RHS we get LHS. Look at here, 5 into 2, 10 e raised to x minus 6. 10 minus 6 is 4 e raised to x, and 5 into 5 is 25. Minus 25 is here. Okay, means value of a and b are correct. Okay, so integration becomes I is equal to integration. Replace the numerator, that is 4 e raised to x minus 25, in the given integration as a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator by putting the values of a and b. So it becomes 5 into 2 e raised to x minus 5 minus 3 into 2 e raised to x divided by 2 e raised to x minus 5 as it is dx. Okay, on separating the denominator we get, yes, 2 e raised to x minus 5, 2 e raised to x minus 5 get cancelled. It's 5 minus 3 into its numerator 2 e raised to x and denominator is 2 e raised to x minus 5 dx. Okay, look at here. Inside the integration there is subtraction, so separate the integration sign. Integration of 5 dx minus integration of 3 into, don't multiply 3 into 2 as 6, don't write 3 into 2 as 6. Okay, 2 e raised to x divided by 2 e raised to x minus 5 dx. Okay, here is one mistake is here, dx is right twice. Okay, so inside the integration there is constant, take constant outside the integration sign. 5 is constant, take outside, integration of 1 is there, minus 3 is constant, take outside the integration, integration of 2 e raised to x divided by 2 e raised to x minus 5 is there. Okay, 5 constant as it is, tell me integration of 1 is x. Okay, minus 3 is constant and here look at the denominator, it's 2 e raised to x minus 5 and derivative of denominator is 2 e raised to x which is in numerator. So integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is log of mod of f of x. So 3 into log of mod of 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus constant of integration c. Here is the answer of the third example. Yes, we see today first type of algebraic integration and trigonometric integration, that is integrations of a sinx plus b cosx divided by c sinx plus d cosx, or integration as a e raised to x plus b divided by c e raised to x plus d. Hope all the examples on that type of integrations are understand. Please solve similar examples on this type. Till then, thank you.